What numbers do the letters A, B, C, and D represent? The first thing is to look at the number line and determine what type of fractions we're dealing with. And if we go from 4 to 5, we can see that there's 3 gaps here, which tells me that we're dealing with thirds. Just to count forward here, we've got 4, 4 and a third, 4 and 2/3, 4 and 3/3, and of course 4 and 3/3 is 5. So if we go down here to A, -4 and then back another mark means it's -4 and 1/3. If we go to B, going backwards from 0, that's -1/3, -2/3. If we look at C, that's going forward 1/3 from 1, so that's 1 and a third. And finally, D is 2 marks forward from 3, so that would make it 3 and 2/3. What numbers do the letters E, F, G, and H represent? Well, let's find a point where we don't have any of those, and let's just go across here. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 divisions there, which tells me I'm dealing with fifths. So for E, I've got -2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4/5 back, so that's -2 and 4/5. For F, going backwards from 0, just one place, so that's -1/5. G is 1, 2, 3, 4 forward from 0, so that would make it 4/5. And then H is going to be 2, and then 1, 2, 3 divisions, so 2 and 3/5. Now we know how to convert these to improper fractions. So for example, this one, 5 times 2 is 10, add 3 is 13. So 13 over 5. Or what we could have done to get to H is count forward 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And we can see it's 13/5.